So anyway, I made these two carousels. I started by making this one, and then I thought, I'm gonna make one of these sophisticated ones too. So I call this a whimsical carousel and this an heirloom carousel. They both work off the same principle, which is the horses go up and down based upon this little wave ring down here, and that one has a similar thing. This one works off of gears. That one works off of a friction plate underneath that's turning as you turn it around. So you've got the more whimsical version, which my daughter Emily kindly did the painting on, and then you got the more heirloom version. Lots of fun. I hope the grandkids like it as much as I like making them.